our 6 Festival Queen candidates.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Turno, Casey Nicole Acupio. Barangay Santa Isabel, Mary Chanel Parama. Municipality of Polanco, Charlize Darunday. Barangay Dicayas, Erica Maikavi Mabilo. Barangay Oligan, Janea Lagod Sanoria. Municipality of Liloy, Catherine Joy Galos. Should we move to the side? Request our 6 festival queens to move backwards for the announcement of our top 3 finalists.
Once your numbers are called, please move immediately forward so that we can proceed with our final showdown. Ladies and gentlemen, our top 3 Pagsalabok Festival Queens. First up, candidate number 4, Dicayas, Erica Maikavi Mabilo. Joining candidate number 4 is another festival queen candidate. Another. Should you ask a bet?
Ikaw na yung bahala, sir. I'll give you the floor.
Please join the top 3 candidate number 5. Barangay Oligan, Janea Lagod Sanoria. Ladies and gentlemen, completing our top 3 Pagsalabok Festival Queen. We have candidate number 1 from Barangay Turno, Casey Nicole Acupio.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. To our remaining candidates, thank you so much. Once again, congratulations to Festival Queen number 1, 4, and 5 for being our top 3 finalists and ultimate.
Maraming salamat.
Wait for a while. We need something.
There seems to be a little something over there.
Yes, but I know our candidates are really giving a hard time to our
Yes,
candidates.
that is true. Okay.
And this time, since the judges will be the one to give verdict of who will be our top 3 finalists, and I believe there is something over there that needs to be settled before finalizing our top 3 finalists, before letting them dance here on stage. We got our last performance from our top 3 finalists. That is their grand showdown. And from that, we are going to get our Pagsalabok Queen 2026.
That's correct. So right now, we just need to wait for
Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are celebrating 1, 4, and 5 to please move back and join the 6 lovely candidates. this time, our chairman of the board of judges will be the one to, of course, announce our top 3 and will give us the reason why. Mula po sa grupo ng mga hurado, kami po yung humingi na kumanhin sa pagkakamali ng pag-compute o pagbilang ng mga balota nating ng mga kandidata. Narito po ang mga nanalo, totoong napili ng mga hurado na tatlo. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. At candidate number 5. Muli, ang ating kasputong paghingi po ng pamabungin. Tuloy po natin ang kompetisyon.
Okay, salamat sa the chairman of the board for explaining it.
Thank you so much. From Barangay Santa Isabel, Pagsalabog Festival Queen number 3 from the municipality of Pulangco, and Pagsalabog Festival Queen number 5 from Barangay Olingan. Ladies and gentlemen, Pagsalabog Festival Queen 2026 Grand Showdown. Let the competition begin! Is the 27th Pagsalabog Festival of Dipolog City, and we celebrate unity amidst diversity. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, that this event will not divide the people of Dipolog City, but this event will unite the people of Dipolog City through dance presentation. And ladies and gentlemen, before we announce our winners for this year's Pagsalabog Festival 2026, we are going to witness once again our contingents as they are going to down. Let's start it with Barangay Turno. Let's start it with Municipality of Liloy.
Sa
and gentlemen, our 5 contingents for Pagsalabog Festival 2026. Let us give them a round of applause as you are about to witness our Pagsalabog Festival Unity Dance. Price nasa 5,000 pesos. Ikaw na malibas sa swerte.
Nag-set na talaga para kita ito ang sa'yo.
Okay, so best in
Alright.
costume.
Please be ready for our best in costume. Best in costume goes to contingent number. Contingent number 2, Barangay Santa Isabel.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's request
May I request the festival queen or the choreographer of the group?
the SK chairperson of Barangay Santa Isabel together with the
An
candidate.
SK na ka?
Okay.
Please be visible to award our best in costume. Once again, our best in costume will be bringing 5,000 pesos. Also, they will be bringing home 5,000 pesos.
Yeah, before that, I would like to inform everyone, Katong Best in Costume is not for the candidate, for the contingent.
That was for the
Yes, to
contingent.
clarify everything. Ay, ako na gawin sa Best in Musicality. Ladies and gentlemen, Best in Musicality is contingent. Contingent number 5, Barangay Uligan.
May we request the team leader of Barangay Ulingan to please get the award. Again, Best in Musicality will be bringing home 5,000 pesos. Next up is Best in Street Dancing. We started our street dancing earlier at 3 p.m.
3 p.m. And I know atong mga crowd during the street dancing, you're really happy that time. I can see people taking pictures.
And they posted it on Facebook as well already.
Nakita na din ito.
Best in Street Dancing is contingent number. Contingent number 2. Barangay Santa Isabel.
Congratulations, Barangay Santa Isabel!
May we request?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to inform everyone that we also have another tours and Honda Dance.
We still have more awards to give out.
Best
We're
in
waiting for their song.
Best in choreography. How much is best in choreography?
Best in choreography is worth 5,000 pesos.
Is that all? Special awards.
Those are the only special awards. Then we'll be giving consolation prizes to the non-winning teams. And we'll be announcing the second runner-up, first runner-up, and then the grand champion.
And of course, later on we'll be announcing our Pagsalabog Queen for second runner-up, first runner-up, and our Pagsalabog Queen 2026. I can see there Gabriela's Pizza. Is that okay already? Ah!